VW Caddy, upgraded with Mark 5 GTI steering wheels at bottom. Yes, it does have paddles and it's in a manual, but that's what the customer wanted. And he probably gonna do DSG conversion later. So here they are, the paddles there. We changed the stocks, we added cruise control. The car didn't have cruise control. We added Highline cluster from Touran. Ignore the faults. There's an ABS sensor we need to change, so we're starting to tidy up the van. Now, left side turn signal not working. That needs to be changed. As you can see, the buttons all working, up and down, menu and everything, illumination. Yeah, everything works. Radio will need an adapter because it's an aftermarket radio. And yes, you get a temperature gauge in there, all coded in. We added another key. This is most of the stuff that you can do to Caddies. Thanks for watching.